Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have Ryobi batteries and Ryobi tools and stuff like that, but I also wanted to be able to use Makita tools. And so I've got this device here. I'll show you it in a second. This is it here. And this is a converter, so that'll let me use the Makita tools on my Ryobi battery. So let's try this here. I actually have a little vacuum here. Let me see if I can pull it out and use it here. So this is kind of it. Just going to try to connect it up to see how it works. So it'll slide into place and it works. So there, that's it. So that's how you can use. So if all you have are Ryobi tools, you can use your Makita, batteries. So you can use, if all you have are Makita tools, you can use your Ryobi batteries. Just switch them out and get one of these little converter deals. So super cool. Just comes off easy, and there you go. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.